By now, each of you should have gotten an email from me inviting you to be an author on our class blog on to the next one. That will give you access to the blog's dashboard. Follow through on that email, please. Once you get to the dashboard, and this is what it looks like, you'll be able to post items to the blog. This is where we want you to post your pitches. When you want to see what the blog looks like, click on the name of the blog and it'll take you back to the site. As you might remember, we have a bunch of information about what we're expecting in your pitches. The first of the pitches are due next week, so you need to read this closely. And when you get down here, you're going to see something called "Here's the format for your pitches." My advice is that you copy this format so that it's easily pastable when you create your pitch post. Once you've copied that material on the pitch post, go back to your dashboard, find Posts, Add New. Click on Add New, and this is what's going to come up. Go ahead and in the area for text, paste the material you've now copied. This is what it'll look like if you're on visual. You can also see the HTML formatting if you click on HTML, but for now we'll stick to visual. Now all you have to do is start filling in the blanks. You're going to type your name in. You're going to tell me whether you're doing a text story, whether this pitch is a text story, an audio slideshow, or whatever. You're going to explain your story in one short paragraph here. See the examples that we posted from the ABC Bureau on the blog. And then you're going to answer the rest of these questions. You want to put a headline on it when you're all done, and let's all follow the same format and go pitch, and then your last name and what kind of story it is. Make sure you spell everything correctly. Don't forget, this is all public. Anybody can access it, so we want to be really careful with the way we post. After you're done with that, scroll down a little bit and you will see an area where you can add a tag. Go ahead and put your last name and pitches in the tag area. Click on Add. And then one more thing, go down to Categories and click on Pitches. That will allow us to very quickly get to your pitches on our class blog. You can save the draft, especially if you're taking your time and you want to get back to it later. You're not quite done with it. You want to add some more information and you can't find it in your notes. You can save a draft and get back to it later by clicking on Save Draft. You also can preview it to see what it looks like if you want to read it over and make sure that you don't have any mistakes. This is what we've done so far. So we're going to take a quick look at that, make sure I haven't spelled anything wrong. Once your account's set up, you're going to click on blogs. I have several, but you'll have on to the next one. Go to your dashboard, and you want to go back and finish that post. So now we're going to go posts, and here's the one we want. It's going to come up like this. I've got it in draft form, you can tell, and we're going to edit the post. Once you're satisfied that everything's ready to go, go back to your dashboard, and ultimately this is where you're going to push the Publish button. Once you push Publish, it will show up on the website. It's going to go just like this. I'm going to do this, and then I'll kill it out later so that you can see how it works. Now my pitch is up, and right at the top they're going to be in chronological order, and that's all you need to know.